Hi there artists, welcome to my video. Watercolor pencils anyone? And maybe sit on a comfortable couch? So here is this photographic reference. We didn't want to copy the couch exactly, we can just make it in our own style. But here there's a color reference of this lovely orange, reddish, dark brown tone. So here with our watercolor pencils, the set that I have of Staedtler, so you can use any of your choice. Just coloring it inside wherever there's a light section with the orange, and now I'm going with the darker brown, and wherever you see that it's not so dark, you can have lighter pressure of the pencil. So right now we're just coloring inside like we would color like with any other color pencils, let alone watercolors. And wherever it's light, we'll specially make an effort to leave it light because we'll see the magic of the brush shortly. So enjoy this coloring process and let's meet with the brush. So after coloring with four main colors that we used, orange, dark brown, little reddish and light yellow, now with our brush, a nice thin brush, let's start with that magic. Just a brush and just a bit of water. That's all that you need. Let's blend it beautifully, slowly. And remember, whatever you've already done, don't repeat it above it unless it's completely dry. So watercolor pencils, we don't want to thin out the paper too much. And use just the right amount of water. Not too much, not too little. So you feel like just giving it a nice effect of paint. Mixture of acrylic paints and watercolors. It's got its richness and yet it's got its wash technique. After it has dried up, you can come back to your color pencil, the watercolor pencil, and just give some highlights. Where it's dark, you can just give it so that it just pops out a bit extra. We want that dark section to have that impact. So that's why this is a bit of a final highlight. So that's only after it's completely dried up, and wherever you feel you want to bring it out, feel free. So this is a nice lazy couch, and if you want to try something else in watercolor pencils, that would be great. It's got its own uniqueness. And wherever you feel it's dried up and you could just do a little extra wash, let's do that as well. We don't want too many lines, we want that blending. And at work it's nice and white background, it's another small slip of paper. So perhaps we can use the pencil and give a little highlight of the flooring as well. So that takes care of our drawing with watercolor pencils. I used 4 colors, but if you have a basic set and you just want to use 2 colors, that's fine too. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.